Do you know that the Arroyo Fountain is the kilometer zero mark in Iloilo City? Iloilo is such a beautiful city, isn't it? Inspiring landscape, rising economy, rich culture, and at the same time, amazing people. How could you not fall in love with this city? And the most beautiful thing about the city is that people help each other, and we're very proud of it. Every person is ready to extend their hand, and that's a very rare quality. We've been through a lot in the past year, with dengue crisis, typhoons, and now this pandemic. It's enough to bring us to our knees. But we're not on our knees. We're standing with our chins up, proud. That's because we care for each other. We look after each other. We fight for each other. That's what Iloilo City is. And that's what Ilonggos are. Everything we do is an effort to help, to reach out our hand. And we have realized that you have helped us too. We are a team. Iloilo City, in classic Iloilo fashion, reached out its own hand to us. We strive for shared responsibility and a collective contribution to everyone's prosperity and for the betterment of our shared future. More Power is a result of many like-minded individuals coming together, working together, succeeding together. Every single effort counts for the entire team. Every single effort. We cannot leave anyone behind. We stand firm together. It has always worked for this city. It will work again. By ourselves, we can do so much. But together, we are more.